Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the TDP on your Microsoft Surface Studio 2 laptop. First of all, we're gonna need to install the CPU Z application that we can download from the internet, from the CPU ID website. So let's open our web browser, let's go to any search engine and search for CPU Z application. Let's go to CPU Z softwares, select Windows x86/x64 category, scroll down to setup, download it, then open the setup file, click yes. Now we only want to open it once, then accept the user agreement to continue, click next, next once again, next. If you want to create a desktop icon, also leave this checkbox checked. Install, wait until this application is installed, and then let's skip the readme part, click finish. Let's run this CPU Z icon on the desktop, click yes, and then wait until the CPU ID detects your device's hardware. And here on the first page we'll be able to find max TDP value for our device's processor. In my case, it's 45 watts. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.